Sure, you Papa. What did I tell y'all? You guys are not tired of me winning. Come, it's my turn. Come, it's my turn.
You don't want to play your level?
No, me.
Your level.
The same doing me? Come.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
As I hear you singing, somebody said the other day, why Luda didn't continue singing? He sound good, the song. Somebody said it sound like Luda can sing. Babe can't sing to save his life. I don't remember who it is that commented, but I laugh when I sing it. When I saw it, it's too funny. My face, eh?
Like a pot.
The baby says sing like a pot. It's true. Just imagine scraping the bottom of a dutchie. That's babe. Yes, Sarah. No, right now we're going to the supermarket. Right? Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. How are you guys doing? Hope you are doing well. We are doing good, but it's wet, it's soppy, it's sloppy outside. It's raining cats and dog all night, and it will be raining into tomorrow. So we are in these streets in this rain because we have things to do. So it's not gonna stop us. I can see one of my kids' head right here, and I can see another one right here. Who do you want to say good morning to first? None. Babe, you go.
Good morning.
Morning.
Okay. She take it without it given to her. All right.
Morning.
Good morning. Ty.
Tyler sleeping.
Tyler pretends. You can tell her you play too much. What in the name of the rain was that? What was that time? Look at him hiding from you guys. He's too funny. Sarah, say good morning.
Morning.
Good girl. All right, in my ears. Jesus. Sarah, how are you?
How are you?
No, tell me, how are you?
How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine too. I'm fine.
Fine.
Tyler, how are you?
Fine, Mama.
Oh my gosh, Tyler is... Yes, Sarah, good job. Tyler is playing this morning. Tyler is in a very playful mood this morning. Yes, it's good morning. Anyway, you guys, festive around here as usual. Heading to the supermarket in this rain. Look outside. Let me see if I can show you. Rainy. And we're not only going to the supermarket, we have errands to run in some other places. So I'll try my best to tag you along as much as I can in this rain. So we'll see how that goes. Have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Stay smiling, be kind to one another. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys later along today's vlog. Looking for a parking. You have to go to the other level. There's one down there, but people fighting for it.
Go outside.
Yes, but we have to park first. We can't go outside without parking, my love. Well, it's Saturday. Look like you have to go floor 3, my love. See one around there, so you're really chancing it. Supermarket run done. Now on to the next. Come, let's go find Papa. Supermarket was full today, Saturday, as usual. Saturdays are never fun going through the supermarket. Full, especially when we love coming to these big supermarkets. Look at this one, hopping and skipping and jumping as usual. And there's a restaurant inside the supermarket. Just in time for lunch. But we ain't stopping. We got things to do around here. Flunch is a really nice lunch spot. Dinner also. And they have snack section over there too, a little bakery. Then you have a pharmacy here and a jewelry store up there. One-stop shop. Alright, the rain kind of ease up. No more rain happening. But because of the rain, no muddy puddle. It's a little bit chilly. You see her want to jump in muddy puddle in her shoes? Oh my God, Sarah, no. No, your shoes gonna be wet. No. Okay, next up, sports store. Trying to find a bag for myself, but I don't like these, so it's a no-no. And trying to find a shoes for Ty, but don't see any in this section. No, don't like those. I didn't find trampoline. This can be a Christmas gift. What do you want Petang to do?
I want to look at something at Petang.
I don't know where it is. I'm gonna check. Okay. Well, I guess this shall be one of their Christmas gifts. You're working out? Okay, Ty, let's go. Then come a stop for lunch at KFC. Sarah love her some corn. See me? Nuggets. Hunger belly. And you guys know what I'm having, right? Wings.
These hot wings.
Yes. Babe gone to get something. He'll be back.
It's time for the sing it.
Ow! Jesus Christ, man. Oh. You still not gonna kill me on camera?
We're saying it to Lou because Sarah's sleeping.
Yeah, so our baby girl fell asleep on our way home.
And it looks like I want to vomit.
Why?
Because you already feel the losing inside him.
It's
It's a test that you don't really like it, so it's about there. They have too much loose inside him.
Show Papa that you're a winner. Come on, let's go, you guys. Today's supermarket haul will be a little bit different because we didn't get much things, but we're still gonna show you guys a little bits that we pick up. So let's go. We don't have Sarah,
So
but
you take white egg.
so what's the problem? I just ask you what's his problem. Because you have a big one.
I got the
You have a
shoes.
big problem.
Mama.
Sarah, Tyler, you just tell Faith that your sister's sleeping. Didn't you just tell Faith your sister's sleeping?
It's a
Ella,
water
if you
gun.
continue like this, you're gonna have to eat this entire bag of.
Arugula.
Okay?
Come on, let's go. It's not much. Tyler in French. What is this?
Arugula.
No.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know who is the mess. It's either her or him.
Come, let's go.
We have
Crêpe.
crêpe.
C'est quoi en français?
Crêpe.
Tu es sûr?
Oui.
Allez.
C'est pas tomato ou cacahuète.
He says that tomato
We have compote here.
and lollipop. Well, Sarah, there, so
Pom
that's
pom.
everything.
Oh.
Sarah, I would
We
say.
spend 1 hour at the supermarket, and during the 1 hour, we spend 30 minutes to find raspberry.
Because you have to make sure that they're not tricking you. Some of the raspberries inside the package is spoiled. So you have to search to make sure you find the fresh ones because half of the others are spoiled. I don't want it.
Where's the yellow?
It fall out somewhere along the way. The show tight, babe.
Where's the yellow?
I didn't pick up none with the yellow in it.
Why?
Because this one is cheaper, so I picked this one.
Well, it's cheaper because there's one less. That's normal.
That too.
If you take only the green one, that will be even cheaper. You know that.
Anyways, broccoli, Thai,
Oh, that's Tyler's favorite one.
cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
What is it in
Tyler
French?
can eat cauliflower around the clock, morning for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's his
What?
favorite one.
What is he saying?
Raw, cooked.
Not true. Tyler don't eat though, but he's not like how babe's saying.
It's cauliflower.
Okay, who can eat this around the
Mushroom,
clock?
I like mushroom.
Exactly.
Wipes, you can eat wipes around the clock.
Now use wipe your mouth for your stop shot the BS.
Blue for the toilet.
Yes.
And Pokemon chocolate milk.
Olive oil.
Tomatoes
Thomas.
and pasta. Oh,
Patat.
Huh?
Pat.
Patat?
Pat. Babe.
The camera catch you on patat. Go look at the result.
No, I know what I say.
We have little coquillette.
The camera catch you at coquillage. And coquillette.
Yeah.
Who wanted this?
Papa. Papa been eating a lot of.
Yeah, I got that with the yogurt on breakfast.
What else do we have here? Oh, yeah.
Hey, don't do that
Sarah.
word, Papa.
Yes, her favorite yogurt, kiwi yogurt. One she tested from me, now she wants it from her. So if she says she's full or not, and she see me with one, because I took one this week, my God, she came to me, Papa, kiwi yogurt. I like
She
to
loves
share
her
it
some
with her.
kiwi yogurt.
What else? Look like it's
You know
only
you're not
me
the
walking
one, yeah.
today. Look like
You're resting for
Yeah, rock, paper,
paperwork.
scissors. Yeah.
We have yogurt for me.
what else do we have here? We have
Come on, work. Winners work, losers
Chicken
race.
and minced beef.
Poulet.
And
C'est quoi ça?
c'est viande hachée. Viande.
Viande hachée.
Right.
What else in here? Sarah juice from KFC. Mama water from KFC. I'm gonna drink it right now. Saumon.
Saumon d'Écosse. Oh, yes, saumon d'Écosse from Scotland. Well, salmon mainly here you have Scotland or Norway. I think that's the two main
Carefully,
countries.
you fall.
And another salmon. And that's it for today.
Oh yeah.
How ourselves and
Oh.
next Friday?
Yes, we're gonna starve ourselves. It's because we have things in the house. We don't need anything else for the week.
Oh, US now, you have
Come,
enough energy.
Ty, come on. Tyler, focus.
Okay, Mama.
And if you lose, I'm going with Papa because I'm sick and tired of him. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
When I just see him, like, he threw it, he looked over.
Go. One Papa already. Me tell them, man. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, two Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Three Papa. What did I tell y'all? You guys are not tired of me winning? Come. It's my turn. Come. It's my turn.
You don't want to play your level?
No, me.
Your level.
The same doing me? Come.
Hey, do the rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I don't understand.
Okay,
Restart.
1-0, Papa.
Not a restart.
No, it's okay. Papa gone one. Come.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper.
Two Papa.
2-1.
Me tell you,
You have one!
me still tell you.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You guys, tell me, help me out here. Like seriously, what can we do to beat Babe? Cause I'm sick and tired of Babe winning, beating on me, and beating on Tyler. I'm sick of him. What can we do? You guys, give me some tips down below. Come on, just let me know. Cause it's not like I can try to study him. He doesn't have a technique. So what does he do to win? I'm tired of it. I'm really tired of it. I'm tired of it.
He turned on the camera in the night. He asked the neighbor to come do 1,000 rock, paper, scissors with him. And after, he wins every time.
Anyway, that's Tyler's theory. But right now, I have things to do. So I'm going to go pack out these things and get it done. So I'll catch you guys later with my losing self.